Dr. Kilgore with Dr. Kilgore's World with another flipped math learning video for you. Our learning goal is I can multiply decimals by decimals. So our guiding question is, how do you multiply a decimal number by another number with decimals? Our strategies for success are the same as multiplying decimals by a whole number. You write the problem just like you're multiplying whole numbers. Don't worry about lining any decimals up. Multiply like normal, count your decimals, and then move your decimal to the left, the number of spaces you counted. So let's look at some practice problems to help us out with multiplying decimals by decimals. So let's start over here. We have 9 and 3/10 multiplied by 4 and 1/10. We multiply like normal. 3 times 1 is 3. 1 times 9 is 9. Cross it out. 4 times 3 is 12. Regroup. 9 times 4 is 36. Plus 1 is 37. We add our products. 3 plus 2 is 5. 9 plus 7 is 16. We need to regroup. 3 plus 1 is 4. We count our decimals. 1, 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. That means our decimal moves over 1, 2 spaces, and our answer is 4 and 65 hundredths. Let's look right here and try the next problem. 6 times 2 is 12, so regroup. 6 times 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. 6 times 3 is 18. All we have left is a 0, so we can count our decimals. Top row has 2. Bottom row has 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. We start at the end, go over 1, 2, 3. And our answer is 1 and 812 thousandths. So let's look at this next problem. We have 7/10 multiplied by 1 and 9/10. 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 0 is 9 plus 6 is 6. Second row starts with a 0. Cross out, cross out. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 0 we don't need to do. So we add our products. 3, 7 and 6 is 13. Count our decimals. 1, 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Over 1, over 2. So 1 and 33 hundredths. Next problem. 6 times 2 is 12. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 times 1 is 2. Count our decimals. 1, 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So over 1 over 2, we get 2 and 52 hundredths. Last problem here. 7 times 3 is 21. 3 times 0 is 0 plus 2 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. 0, cross out, cross out. 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 0 is 0, plus 5 is 5. 8 times 1 is 8. Add our products. 1, 8, 8, 8. Count our decimals. 2, no, that is not right. Get a little eraser here and let's fix that one. So we have 1 decimal here plus 1 decimal here. That is 2. So over 1 over 2, we get 88 and 81 hundredths. Give me just a second and I will be back with some more practice problems for tonight. Okay, go ahead and write these problems down in your math journal. Start solving them and pause this video. Turn it back on when you are ready to check with me. So pause now. Welcome back. Let's start solving these problems. I look at this problem right here and I see I've got 1 number times 2 numbers. I'm going to put these 2 numbers on top just because it's less work for me to do. 9 times 6 is 54. 6 times 4 is 24 plus 5 is 29. Count our decimals. 2 plus 1 equals 3 over 1, 2, 3. And our answer should be 294 thousandths. It's polite etiquette to put a 0 there. Let's look at this next problem. 32 and 3 tenths times 7 tenths. 3 times 7 is 21. 14 plus 2 is 16. 21 again plus 1 is 22. Oops, don't need a line there. Count our decimals. 1 plus 1 is 2 over 2 spaces and put a decimal. We have 2 and 4 hundredths times 1 and 8 hundredths. 3-digit by 3-digit multiplication. This is a little bit challenging. 4 times 8 is 32. 8 times 0 is 0 plus 3. 8 times 2 is 16. 0. We don't have to do that middle row because it's going to be all zeros. So the second row we do 2 zeros to start with. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 2 is 2. Add them all up. 2, 3, 10, 2, 2. Count our decimals. 2 plus 2 is 4 over 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, it looks like I left a decimal there. Let's erase that. So we get 2 and 2,032 ten-thousandths. So I hope this video has helped you learn how to multiply decimal numbers by decimal numbers. Good luck on your practice work in class. Make sure you ask if you have any questions.